had a shoulder pain for past 12 years. I've had 5 other operations before I came to see Professor Levy, and the operation with Professor Levy was my 6th operation. I've had no previous injury. The previous operation, the pain came back. Professor Levy suggested we do the PRP and the synthetic patch. I had nothing to lose but quite a lot to gain. I've had a revision shoulder surgery with Professor Levy. The keyhole surgery was a rotator cuff with a PRP and synthetic mesh, and it all went extremely smoothly, and I have now 99.9% of the movement back, no pain, and I am extremely happy. After the operation, I find that my life has changed. I can actually sleep full night without waking up without pain, with pain. 6-7 hours sleep, great, and my life has completely changed. I can do normal activities that we all take for granted without pain. The operation was a totally life changer for me.